afternoon. I'm Irene from AMC. Today I'm going to show you how to do a long bean omelette, big omelette. Okay, so I first explain what I prepare. It's just one bowl of long bean. You can cut it fine. If you want onion also can, any kind of veggie. But this is interesting because I don't put a lot of oil to fry. So today I prepare 6 eggs using this Eurasia. So inside you can see I put light sauce. It's optional whether you want to put pepper or not. So as you hear from here, I set up navy for 4. You can hear beep sound at the setting at mid window. That is 50. That's 50. Can you see? Yeah. So what you do is very simple in the AMC. Everybody know. Once the temperature is good, that means ideal temperature. What you do is just take it out and then you open up. What you do first is you putting your garlic. So 你只需要放你的那个蒜米。So 蒜米很简单，你看，你可以切姜啊 garlic 啊。如果你发现它是有一点湿，也不用担心啊。What you do? You can actually put the oil at the side. So today actually I'm putting about very little only lah. Cover. You can put about 2 tablespoons because frying an egg is actually need a lot of oil. Alright, so at this moment you just beat the egg and then with the light soy sauce. Mostly I like light soy sauce. Okay? Yep. So you look at it. Yeah. So a while you wait a while, then you can immediately open up. Look at it. Very nice. Right? Garlic. Can you see? It's brown. Yep. So you look at it, the long bean, put inside. Okay, cover. I like AMC cooking method. It's simple, easy, because everything you cover, as long you cover means you are cooking. So the method is simple. You can see a little bit of smoke, but don't worry. You can still dress up very nicely. Yeah, then you just wait a while. You can look at it, the carrot, the red mark will move. Of course, I can still set a carrot to do, but because now I'm frying, to save my time, correct? So I do it this one. You take away what you want, whatever you want, just take away. So 通常那个指针，这个红色的会来到80，就是那个菜是有一点熟了。So 熟的时候呢，你可以打开看。If you want, you can open. Look at it, nice or not? So I should say this long bean is already half cooked. So what you do? Very simple. You pour in. Alright? You pour in. You even can stir properly, gently. Okay? You can use your spoon, anything. You can stir it if you want. It's so beautiful. I think children, personally my grandchildren like it very much. You know why? You cannot always fry the long bean to show them. Sometimes you put a bit of egg, of course you can put seafood. You can put a lot of, the method is there. Okay? So you let it fry a while for the base and then you overbake. The fantastic of using AMC Navy is to show you can cook plus baking. Okay, so a short while, very simple. You take the cover and then you put your roaster, and what you do, you will set. I will set at maybe 4 minutes. So you look at it. If I set 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Look at it. 4 minutes, I will come back again. So you will have a very beautiful long bean omelette. Okay. So later a while, come back again. Thank you. Oh, can you hear the sound? Beep beep beep, magic. 见证奇迹的时候 ，nice， 哇，真的啊，漂亮哇，10分钟，水哦。谢谢大家的观赏，谢谢。